Okay, we have a piece of wood here we're going to be working with. This is a 1x10, which is actually 3/4 by 9.5, but they still call it a 1x10. Last time it was actually a 1x10 is back in my father's time, when the wood was actually 1 inch by 10 inches. But they still call it a 1x10, even though it's 3/4 by 9.5. Now we're going to be making, this is a special order. This is my pattern for a wolfman here. So we're going to need 3 of these. We're going to need 2 of these, which includes the neck. And then the outside pieces, we will need 2 of these. Also, I have my pattern for ears for this. So we will put this on here, and if we look at the farthest point on this, we're looking at 9 inches wide at the farthest point. The inside here is 1.5 to 2 inches, which will get rounded down more and sanded out. This piece, which goes on here on the outside, is 7.5 inches wide by 11.5 inches long. This would be the pieces that go on here. We will be cutting this part out in here later on with that. This outside piece, we are looking at 7.5 inches wide, and we're going to go about 8 inches long with that. So these are our 3 inside pieces, and this matches up with the rest of this. So this will go on there, and then this piece will go here. So 2 of these, 2 of these, and 3 of these. We'll do that. And then naturally 2 ears. This is, like I said, this is a special order, and the guy wants kind of a 1930s style Wolfman. So it's not quite so like it is before. So we got that picture. These are just reference pictures, so when I start carving, I got a kind of an idea of what I want to go with. So this is what we're going to be doing. Hopefully it comes out like this. That's the plan. So now we got our patterns cut out. Turn this over. So I use the most amount of, I don't like to have a whole lot of waste with the wood. So we'll line this out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So that will be one. Let's see if I can save some wood here, because I don't like to have a whole lot of waste if I don't have to. So we'll go with this piece is going to go here. And then what we'll do is we'll use our scroll saw to cut this all out. And then we'll take a couple days to get it all glued together before we can actually start carving on it. Just a second. Well, that didn't transfer very good, did it? got a knot here, so I'm going to make sure I don't have that in my piece of wood. I'll cut that out, make sure I cut that part out. But a 1x10 is going to be enough wood that you can cut all your pieces you need. So there's our 3 inside pieces. Go with this one here. So this is more for the cover of the cheek and stuff. And we wanted to make this a little bit longer down here. I'm going to add an inch to this, to our neck piece here. So that is one piece. Okay, there's that piece. We need one more like this. Another inch here. I'll cut this back as I need it, but I wanted it a little bit longer for now. Like again, after we get this all done, we'll be cutting this part out here so we get inside the head. The last thing we need is 2 of these very outside pieces. Said I wanted to make this the neck part just, or to slide into the neck to be just a little bit longer.